Hey guys, this is a video where we're going to change out the spoil board on my CNC. This spoil board has really seen better days, so we're changing it out. For those interested, this is a 1500 by 1000 millimeter open build CNC. Hope you enjoy. Here I'm putting on a respirator. This is MDF that we're cutting, so it's very volatile. I do have a central vac, and even with that, this is dusty business. Just a little background on this CNC. It is actually a bulk man from China. I retrofitted it with Open Build's router and control box, which I find far superior for what I'm doing. Anyway, back to the video. So if you'll notice, I don't have the blade raised quite high enough. It's cutting through the MDF, but it should have been up about another quarter of an inch. So that's one down and 5 more to go. Just have to drill the mounting holes and the dog holes for my hold down mechanism. This machine has T-tracks on it as well that go between each of these slats. I like this method, and that along with the dog holes really works well. Here you can see I've put the old slat on top of the new one. I was going to use the old mounting holes in the old dog hole, but thought better of it. The reason for that is this was a work bee CNC, and I modified it to a queen bee. That narrowed the machine up 6 inches, about 6.5. But, so needless to say, I rethought that strategy. So here we are back at the CNC. We're adding the first slat. Everything went well. And so we fastened the first slat. Here I'm going to take off the second slat. This is just kind of rinse and repeat, so we're just going to blast through it. But you're getting the idea of the process here. So came back the next day, had some other things to do, and started finishing this up. We're on the third one here, as you can see, and again, just rinse and repeat. So now that I've done a few of these, we're moving right along with them. As they say, we're cooking with gas. Okay, as you can see, I've changed my shirt because it's another day. And I keep getting called away, but I think we're going to get her done on this day. So here we have all the slats cut. I still have some dog holes to do. But we're at the CNC doing the final touch up on this. So hope you're enjoying it so far. So I'd like to talk to you just a little bit about CNC work in general. Most of the guys I know that have a CNC machine are like engineer types. Love those guys. But I'm not. I am the guy that wants to get this up and running, working, and let's make something. Some of my colleagues, and God bless them, will spend a week, 8 hours a day for a week, surfacing the spoil board and getting it all just right. I just don't have time to do that. And it shows in my work. My work isn't as nice as some of the guys, but I make signs, and I bought this machine to actually work on some signs that I lost the bid to. So now I have a pretty big machine, but I like doing it, and it's a fun hobby. If anyone's out there thinking of getting into CNC, I would recommend you do it if you're that kind of personality. Time to get the janitor in here to clean this place up. So while he's doing that, I would like to thank you for watching this video if you made it this far. Hope to see you again a little further on down the trail. Thanks again.